Welcome back, friends. So we are seeing the stock futures marginally higher, um, and this is something which I had foretold in my prior YouTube presentation as well about today. So we could see some decent amount of positivity in many periods in the morning today. So futures tied to the Dow currently up about 90 points. And on Thursday, Chinese media outlet Xinhua reported that the President Donald Trump and China President Xi Jinping held a phone call. And Beijing's Ministry of Foreign Affairs also said in a statement that Trump initiated the call. The report sent stock futures higher after they were little changed earlier in the day following new labor market data. Jobless claims last week came in at 247,000, an increase of 8,000 from the week before, and more than 236,000 that economists polled by Dow Jones were expecting. This comes one day after an estimate of private sector payrolls rose by just 37,000 in May, coming in sharply before the Dow Jones forecast for 110,000 and raising investors' worries about a softening job market and the impact on the economy. The Dow ultimately slid 0.22% on Wednesday, posting its first loss in 5 sessions. Still, the market's recent gains, which have been powered by a surge in technology stocks, coupled with the blowout first quarter earnings season, have revived sentiment on Wall Street. Still, investors remain cautious that further pain could be ahead due to the Trump administration's tariffs and the impact this can have on inflation while the economy slows down, leading to a specter of stagflation. So the impact of tariffs is still going to be substantial in the second and maybe the third quarter as well, unless some quick deals are announced, for which also there is a possibility, but its dust has not completely settled as yet. The surprise so far seems to be that we are not going that much inflationary pressure, and that's the good part. We have got a couple of quarters where, at least on the short-term basis, tariffs are going to hurt the profits. If they're not visible today, they could start getting visible shortly. Friday, we have the all-important jobs report, and be very, very careful of this jobs report to get to know where the markets are headed from here. Do join our Prime Plus Telegram groups, which are specifically addressed for the US markets. You can WhatsApp us on 732-732-2720. If you are outside the United States, you can WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044. Have a great investing day. Take care. Bye-bye.